Hello, Dylan. I wanted to show you this mono turbo board I've got up and running for you. It does have an earlier model ROM V70, but the board that you have, you should be able to swap that ROM chip over fairly easily. And it's been running stable here for about an hour, so I'm going to call it good. The only other thing I can think of is maybe the data cable. And I'm going to send you this one. It's got multiple connectors on it. It's connected to an SD, but it's a little bit heavier duty than the one we may have out there. Man, I'm sorry that that system's panicking with new caps and everything, and I'm hoping that this motherboard will resolve the issues. It still has the older caps, so you could probably, now that you do know how to do the caps, replace the capacitors on it. But really appreciate your business and patience, and I'll send that shell out as well. And hopefully, this one will solve the problem. I know we've been troubleshooting every which way, but I think this will be the winner chicken dinner. So it's going out today. Thanks, man. Bye bye.